How to clean dingy coffee pot. What is the best way to clean coffee pot? How can I clean my coffee pot to make it new again? If these are your questions, in today's video, I will show you the best and fastest way to clean your coffee pot. And let's dive right in. The simple and easiest way to clean your dingy coffee pot. As you can see, look at how dingy filtered this coffee pot is. Look inside. We are going to make this look very new again. You can see this as well, and then look at this one too. See how all the stains is in there? See that? That's how filthy this is. I'm going to show you how to get these all stains clean out quickly and have your coffee pot looks new again. And the things you will need to clean the coffee pot, you're going to need a scrubbing sponge, you will need gloves, and then also I'm going to use Awesome. If you haven't used this before, this is an amazing cleaner. It takes anything off and you're going to see the magic this does. And I just pour some into this so it'll be easy for me to spray. And then I'm going to use just a used soap pad, which helps a little. You can only use a sponge as well. So let's start right now. And then all we're gonna do, we are going to start spraying our pot. So just spray it all around. And then as you can see, you will see that it will start even taking stains off already. I'm gonna spray this as well. Spray this as well. Let's go inside. And you can see how the filth is coming off already. Spray around it inside. I'm just gonna let this sit for 5 minutes before we start cleaning. Now that we finished spraying, I'm just going to let this for 5 minutes and then we'll just come back and start cleaning right away. Alright, so you can see after 5 minutes, look at how dark this looks. See that? That is so filthy. So we are just going to start. I'm going to wet the sponge. I'm going to start scrubbing. Just going to use the sponge. You don't really need to use the soap pad. The work is already done with the Awesome. You just need a sponge. And just look. Just look at that fill. Look at how that is looking already. See? Look inside. Good, looking good. I'm gonna add water. I'm gonna rinse this out. And just look. Look at that. Just have a little bit more to clean and that's it. Almost done. And sometimes if you think that maybe the stain is not coming off, you can just use the soap pad, just go around it, just a little gentle on it, not too harsh, much. And look at how shining our teapot is looking. A little tiny bit right here on that side, and all I do is just, and that's it, and it's gone. Look at our coffee pot, it's shiny now. Look at it. You have a brand new coffee pot. Just gonna clean the cover. That doesn't take long to clean either. And this is also clean. Look at how shiny it is. Now that we finished with our stainless coffee pot, we are going to clean this one as well. You have to do is start cleaning. And this is a little bit hard. How do you go inside to clean it? The little trick I use is I put in my sponge. I'm going to put this in. Just fold it in two. Let it go in. Sometimes you have a brush, a long brush that you can use. I don't have that brush at the moment, so this is the trick that I use. Once I put in my sponge, I'm gonna find anything wooden you have, a wooden stick. This is a wooden spatula because I'm gonna clean it anyway. So I just use the back of this. I'm going to put it in here, and then right on top of the sponge, you can see. Then I just go around it, just like that. See? So if you don't have a brush, you can use this trick. Like I just show you, just put it in and then use a wooden spoon, spatula, something you have, wooden stick or something, and just do this. And then you can see it will clean every angle inside, and it will get everything clean up. And that's the trick I use all the time. So just go around, and then once you're done, just pull this out, and it's easy to take out. And now you have your sponge bag. I'm just going to clean this because the inside is already clean. I'm just going to use the water. And look at that. Look inside. See how clean that looks? Okay, now that we see that our inside is clean, just make sure you just give it a rough scrub. Get all the edges here clean. There you can see the inside is clean now, all neat. Now watch this. And look at this, shining. Now you're gonna have your fresh coffee. Alright, and then we're just gonna clean this as well. Alright, so we just finished cleaning this as well, the cover. I'm gonna wash this. And look at that. So shining, bright. Alright, and then we are gonna give it a full clean. I'm gonna add dish soap, my sponge. And now I'm just gonna wash this. Put my sponge back inside. And I'm going to use my wooden spoon and then clean that out. Okay, once that is done, take this out. Okay, now we finish and we are just going to wash this off. Just rinse them out. And just make sure that you wipe down your sink mess. Wipe this down quickly. And wipe down everything you use. I'm gonna wipe down my gloves because there is a lot of filth on it. And just go over your sink. Make sure everything is wiped down. If you use a soap pad, just wash it down for your next use. And then we can see how clean our dingy coffee pot is now. Look at that, all neat. I mean, you can have a good coffee in it. All the covers are all clean. And then we have this as well, how that is clean as well. And now you can see our teapot is clean, neat, and it looks brand new again. And you can make a fresh cup of coffee. Hello friends, I just showed you how to clean a dingy coffee pot. Easy and fast. Let's take a look at what we just finished and you can see how clean both of these look compared to how it was before. And we just did this very simple, easy. And you can see inside and out it's all clean, and then you can see this as well. And we just did that simple. So now you know how to clean your dingy coffee pot so you can have a fresh coffee. Subscribe to this channel so I can make more helpful videos like this. My name is Florence at Straka.com. If you want to know how to clean stainless steel teapot, watch the next video. My question for you is, what is your best cleaning product that makes cleaning so easy for you? Leave it in the comment section below for me. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.